Under-Stair pet nook storage can make pet waste containment discreet and sanitary in small homes. For a compact yet effective solution, consider a pull-out litter drawer with a removable tray that slides on full extension hardware so you can clean without disassembling the unit. Use a built-in cat litter cabinet with a replaceable activated charcoal filter mounted near the top of the compartment to neutralize odors. Replace the filter every 3 months or sooner if you notice smells. For multi-pet households or dogs that use pads, add a hidden dog bed with under-seat storage sized for folded pads, and toy bins so supplies stay out of sight but within reach. Include a hinged access door that opens wide enough to allow hand access and a small hand vacuum for quick spot cleaning. Choose soft close hinges to avoid loud noise in tight living spaces. Integrate passive ventilation using a discreet vent grill and a small inline fan on a low-speed setting if humidity is an issue. Route ventilation to an exterior wall or a conditioned crawl space to avoid moving odors into other rooms. Finish interior surfaces with a waterproof, non-porous coating so urine or litter debris does not soak into the wood and so you can wipe it down with diluted household disinfectant. Common mistakes include underestimating odor control, which leads to complaints and repeated deep cleans, so add replaceable charcoal filtration and schedule weekly deep scoop and monthly full tray cleaning. People often forget to plan for moisture, and so mold can form. Use waterproof liners and maintain airflow with vents or a low-speed fan to keep the space dry. A third mistake is creating access that is too small, which makes routine cleaning awkward. Build hinged doors or a full pull-out system sized for your hand breadth plus a cleaning tool, and use hardware rated for the expected weight to avoid sagging. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and showcases real project examples tailored to small home pet solutions, so you can see how Under-Stair nooks perform in spaces similar to yours. We also help contractors find work and build their portfolio while hosting an active discussion community where users and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share lessons learned.